Sipping. Sipping, right?
Uh-huh.
Drink. Would you say you're a heavy drink user or not really?
I'm on and off. Sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light.
How long have you been sipping for?
I've been sipping for a minute, a couple years. I'm just on and off of it. I don't want to, kill myself with this shit. So.
Do you remember your first sip?
Oh, that was probably like first sip. Shit.
Maybe where you were at, or
probably like 7 years ago. My brother had my little brother. He brought me a pint of that shit. I sipped it. I liked it. So.
Now, what does sipping do for you exactly?
It just give me a high. It give you a certain high. So sometimes I want to get that certain high. A lot of times I like to go in the studio and sip, or I like to sip and smoke in the studio. So just give me a certain type of feeling. It give me a certain type of vibe.
Yes, you did mention it was one of your studio necessities.
Yeah, it give me a vibe to go in there and make a certain type of music.
I've seen some people do some strange things with syrup. I don't know if you've ever tried this or done something different, but I've seen 21 Savage recently pour some on his waffles. I've seen Young Thug pour some on an ice cream cone.
Oh, for real?
I did an interview with a heavy sipper, and he actually poured it in a bottle of Ace of Spades one time.
Oh, wow.
Have you done anything unique or just out of the norm?
Nah, I just keep it simple, man. I might mix it with the Sprite or some Fanta or some root beer or some different type of Fantas. I keep it simple, man. I just need me mix it with the soda, pour it in a cup of ice and sip it.
Now, when you say you've been on and off, do you ever feel like you're addicted to it?
See, that's when I stop myself. When I start feeling like I get addicted to it, I take a break from it.
I've heard withdrawals from it can be very tough for some people.
Yeah, it's tough for some people. I like to be a strong-minded individual.
I know also, too, when it comes to sipping, some people have had some health issues, some stuff with their teeth, maybe some weight.
Yeah, it's a lot of health issues involved with it. So I try not to overindulge. I try not to go too far.
Some people have been said to have died from it.
Yeah.
Do you know anyone personally that has, or somebody close that has died?
I don't know anybody personally, but the game starts getting fucked up when niggas start mixing it and cutting it with everything, and that's when you don't know what you're drinking. So it's kind of like, it's dangerous, and you take certain risks doing certain things or buying certain types of it.
Now, I know that sipping can be an expensive drug. How much do you think you probably spent on sipping? If you could estimate.
It ain't no telling, man. I probably done spent just sipping alone. The price done went up, so I don't even want to say no number.
Is it worth it?
If I sip and I make a hit record and I make hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars, it's worth it. But if I'm sipping and I'm making bullshit, it ain't worth it. I don't make bullshit, so I feel like it's worth it.